offer you another Monday makeover. So I am going to be using an I Heart Revolution chocolate bar palette. If you want to know which one it is today, then just keep watching. guess that it was the chocolate orange palette that I was using today. I absolutely love and adore these colours. The beautiful oranges and browns of this palette are just absolutely beautiful. Now this palette screams autumn to me. But I have to keep trying to tell myself that oranges and browns are just as much a summery colour as they are an autumn colour, because they make such beautiful, beautiful eye looks. And I shouldn't really be worrying about whether they're seasonal or not. There's so many different colours in here. There's reds, there's browns, there's like oranges and creams. There's a lot of different colours in here. You can make simple looks, you can make much more dramatic looks. They're just absolutely stunning, and I really do love these little palettes. So yeah, that was this palette. So I am absolutely loving this palette. So what I want to ask you today is, what palette do you want me to do next? So I am leaving this up to you. If I don't own the palette that you suggest, then I am happy to go and buy it, because I love these palettes. I really do. So if there is a chocolate bar palette from my if there is a chocolate bar palette from I Heart Revolution, or Makeup Revolution as they're known now, then please do let me know which one you want me to play with last, because I believe next week is the final week. Let me just check that on my calendar. Yeah. So next week is our final Monday makeover for May, and I want you to choose which chocolate bar palette I use. If I don't own it, then I will be happy to go out and purchase it, because I do really love these chocolate bar palettes. So the one that is most requested, I will do that one for the final Monday makeover of May. I hope you've really enjoyed this video. If you did, please like, comment and subscribe as always, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!